everyone, in this Instagram video, I wanted to show you how you could use the @mention sticker in Instagram stories. If it's your first time here, I make social media and tech tutorials 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. So to use the @mention, let me just start here from the very beginning. So I'm just on my profile here, I'm clicking my icon, my logo here, and it's taking me to Instagram story. I'll take a picture here, or you could take a video, anything else you do in Instagram story. And to add a mention sticker, I'll press the sticker icon right on top and I'll click that mention sticker. And if for some reason you don't see this, I know sometimes iOS gets updates first and then Android devices. So if you don't see this, I'm gonna show you a quick workaround that works just as well. So let me just go ahead and type in a different Instagram account that I have. And as you start typing, it gives you suggestions right on the bottom here. So I'm choosing this one here, or you could type it out and you could go ahead and place this anywhere you want. And if you don't see the @mention sticker, I'm sure you'll have an update soon on your phone and you'll get it. But another thing you could do is just create a text file. So I'm pressing AA. I'm gonna put the @mention, I'm gonna type @ and then I'm gonna type in that username again. The font style has to be modern. So modern is the font style. And to get that, I just basically press the font types right there, modern. But modern doesn't have a background option, so it doesn't quite look the same. You could see it's the same font, but it's not the same styling. But you could change the color, so you could make it yellow, but I'm just using these color swatches here on the bottom. I'm choosing yellow, press OK. So that's as close as you could get. But the mention sticker is obviously what this video is about, so hopefully you have that on your phone. Next, let's go ahead and send it to our story. I'll just share it here to my story. And now if I click it, that mention sticker is clickable. So if I click it, it will take me right to my other Instagram that I tag with that mention story. So you could do that to promote your other Instagram accounts or someone else's, do shout outs. You could ask someone else to make a mention sticker for you. So by clicking it, you could go to your profile. The text one kind of works the same way, and it's a great way to grow your other Instagram accounts or to promote someone else or have someone promote you. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post tech tutorials just like this one 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching.